2016 World
What
Junior
about this
Champion,
massively talented Indian? Neeraj Chopra, World Junior Champion in a World Junior record 2 years ago.
And now Neeraj Chopra set a world record at junior level. What can the Indian do? First up, wonderful in qualifying. Oh, good throw. Great leverage, great height, great distance over the 85-metre mark. Remarkable. He's got a personal best of 86.48, a season best of 85.94, and I'd imagine that is close to the over the 85-metre mark. .5 metres. He goes into the lead, and he goes into the lead comfortably. Yeah. Now Chopra, the current leader. Can he go beyond 86.47? Boy, he's unorthodox. He just launches himself at it. Oh, that goes beyond his first throw of 86.47. The man is on fire. Does it go beyond that first throw of 85.50? 86.47 for Neeraj Chopra. Throw of 82.20 will be good enough for him to take home the bronze medal. Chopra, look at that. That is a red flag out of the front of the circle, but it won't matter for him. India will win a gold medal in the field, in the men's javelin. A dominating performance. A first up round throw of 85.5 metres, and then a fourth round best of 86.47. And it will be the Australian Hamish Peacock who will take home the silver medal with a personal best throw of 82.59 metres. He did that in the fourth round. So India, Australia.
The gold medalist and Commonwealth champion,
well, this
representing
guy,
India, Neeraj
cool as a
Chopra.
cucumber, 20 years of age. He's got the long hair. He wears a bandana when he competes. The World Junior Champion is now the Commonwealth Champion. And I rather suspect a very excited welcome awaits him when he returns to India. He's the Asian champion from last year as well. A real star in the making. PB of 86.48. Another couple of meters on that, and he'll be